In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a leading zero to numbers in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever typed a number like 0123 into Excel and noticed that Excel removes the zero at the beginning, don't worry. That happens because Excel usually treats entries like this as numbers, and numbers don't normally keep leading zeros. The good news is that you can control how those numbers appear by changing the cell format. To get started, open your Excel file and select the cell or the range of cells where you want the leading zeros to appear. Once those cells are selected, right-click on them and choose Format Cells from the drop-down menu. This will open the Formatting Options panel on the right side. In that panel, make sure the Number tab is selected. If it isn't already, click on it. You'll see a drop-down field with different formatting categories. Click that drop-down and choose Custom. This is the option that lets you tell Excel exactly how you want the numbers to be displayed. After selecting Custom, look for the Type field. This is where you'll enter the format pattern for your numbers. If you want every number to show as 4 digits, type 00. For example, a number like 7 would display as 0007 and 85 would display as 0085. If you want every number to show as 5 digits, type 000 instead. In that case, 42 would appear as 0042. You can continue the same pattern depending on how many total digits you want Excel to show. Once you've entered the format you want in the type field, click the check mark to apply it. Excel will immediately update the selected cells so the numbers display with leading zeros. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that this changes how the number looks, not necessarily the underlying value itself. So Excel is still storing it as a number, but it's displaying it in the format you chose. That makes this method especially useful for things like ID numbers, product codes, or reference numbers that need a consistent length. And that's it. With just a quick custom number format, you can make your Excel data look cleaner, more organized, and easier to read whenever leading zeros are important.